Welcome, my name is Kamini. I'm going to give you the tarot reading, and this tarot reading is going to be for your life partner, how your life partner is going to be. I'm going to take two readings, and it will be group number one, group number two. If you're choosing group number one, I'm going to give you the reading, and the second group will be group number two. So you can think which group you want. And I'm going to start with the first reading for group number one. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to just take out your cards. I'm going to shuffle my deck and I'm going to take out the cards. This is another thing. Okay, the third card and one card for advice card, which I usually remove. Okay, so I have your cards, group number one. If you've chosen group number one, let me go ahead with your cards. Okay, group number one, I see your cards. Okay, this is a very good card to get, group number one, especially if your partner is a male. Okay, he is a divine masculine, or even if your partner is a female, your partner may be very action oriented. He might also, or she might also be somebody who's very courageous, action oriented, all the divine masculine qualities in him or her or them. Now the second card denotes that he is or she is or they are pretty much looking out for, they plan things and they do things as planned, and they take the physical steps, as this card also shows very action oriented type of person, maybe a wand person, somebody who is quite action oriented. And this card also shows that they take steps when they take some they plan and they take steps. Quite a good combination to get. I see this person having a lot of wand energy, which is fire energy, maybe somebody who is from the sun sign, moon sign, Leo or Sagittarius or Aries, whatever it is. So I find that this person is very action oriented. I also see that they want to they have this idea of personal healing and happiness. So you see this window, you can see a very beautiful picture. They believe in that, or they want to believe in that. So they find that maybe their personal life is something where they feel this is how it should be, very peaceful and very happy. Apart from that, this is a card usually I give for some kind of advice, spiritual health advice. So here it says that I trust in the perfection of divine timing and allow my life to unfold as it should be. So they do believe in the divine timing also. So it depends what they think is everything comes when it has to come, and they always believe in that. They have this perfect idea, or they picture themselves, or they want to picture themselves as, something very, their personal life to be very peaceful and happy. They do take steps, physical steps forward, they have this thing in mind. And lastly, they have all the action oriented qualities, fire energy, where they believe that action is what they have to do to get ahead in life. So pretty much a very positive reading for you, group number one. If you've chosen group number one, your partner's personality looks very action oriented, and they have a picture in their mind, and they do believe in divine timing. When it has to happen, it has to happen. So that is what I see. Group number one. Group number two, if you've chosen group number two, let me see your cards. Okay, I'm just going to remove the cards for you. This is the first one. The second card is okay, so I'm going to remove the last card. Okay, so group number two, let me go ahead with your reading. Okay, group number two, let me see your cards. Okay, so this is your first card, group number two. What I see here is your partner, or the person you are with or you're going to be with, is somebody who is quite they do have certain, let's say, they think a lot and everything is in their mind. So if this card is showing that if they are if they face any problem, they are not able to see what are the possibilities, and they're not able to come out. So they have everything in their mind. They might think about things, but to do certain things, they need to come out of their mind. That's what this card means. Overall, they are quite solid. They are like people who are they believe in security, they believe in stability in life. So quite a positive card. However, they need to be for them to have abundance in their life, they need to have certain habits that will help them to create abundance in their life. Okay. And lastly, I see the relationship card. I'm respectful, loving person who cares deeply about how I treat others. People feel safe around me. So here they are very, very respectful in their relationships, and they treat people well. So very positive card for them. However, they need to be having a lot of abundance in their life in terms of habits. They need to be very, very positive, have those habits that will make them grow in future. If they have any kind of thoughts which are not helping them, whatever is in their mind, they stay in their mind, but then they need to come out of that. They need to think outside and see the other possibilities. And finally, they believe, or they want success in life in terms of security and stability. So these are your cards, group number 2. I hope something has resonated with you. If something has resonated, give me a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel, and also you can leave a comment. You can also ask me any questions and I will answer them in my email. Okay, till then, take care. Thank you so much.